Is Donzia. Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to get your lost NIN slip back, whether you lost the tracking or you lost the NIN number, with just your registered phone number or your date of birth, the name, your date of birth, and we are good to go. So without no delay, let's get started. So I'm logging in. So I've actually logged into the user. As you can see, here is NIN verification, phone verification, demographic verification, document number verification. This is my total used units. The available unit that I'm having now currently is just one unit. Out of the 6 units that I have, I've actually used 5, which means remainder 1 unit. Now let's assume I want to search for a phone number that's already linked with the NIN. What I'm just going to do is to click on the navigation button here, click on, since I want to use phone number, I'm going to click on phone verification. Then I'm going to enter the phone number here. I'm going to enter the phone number here. Let's go for 08191. Obviously this won't bring any results. No result found, simply because that number is not aligned with any NIN profile, which is the NIN profile. Now let's search for name 2. I'm going to use 0109 1996. The first name should be Amos and the last name should be Lango, male. Obviously this is going to bring a no result because this is an incorrect data. As you can see, no results. If you want to see, okay, now let me show you the videos of those that are actually real with real results. As you can see here, here is video 1. As you can see, here is a profile picture of a person showing. I've already blurred the details so that YouTube won't remove the video. That's why I blurred the details. But as you can see photo showing, different photos showing with name, last name, first name, and different photos. So this is the video. Just drop me your phone number that you use during the NIN details and I will check for you.